Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install software for 3Dconnexion CadMouse Compact Wireless on Windows. The software for the mouse may be useful especially for customizing what the buttons do. You can assign different options for different applications, for different buttons, like this button, whatever button you want. And to do it, you'll need to go to the 3Dconnexion website. So I'll get there. Let's search for 3Dconnexion. It's with an X, right? Now let's go to the app. Let's go to software, then go to download driver, and now select the version for Windows, the newest one. And now open it. Then you'll see this. It'll start going through. You can also change the components that you want to install, but I'll just leave it all as it is. It also installs some plugins for Unity, for 3ds Max, for Maya, for SketchUp, AutoCAD, Photoshop, Acrobat, everything basically. Let's accept and install. I'm gonna click on no thanks, but you can share the data if you want. Okay, in my case it failed, but in your case it won't fail. It'll just go through, then later on it may ask you to reboot the device, your computer, so you may need to reboot it. I didn't reboot it after uninstalling the program, so that was my issue, but in your case it should go through. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.